How to send Microsoft Teams meeting invite. So if you want to send the Microsoft Teams meeting invite, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Microsoft Meet. And after opening your Teams or your Meet right here, then you can go with the meeting section, which is here on the left side. And here you can go and start a new meeting. You can go with schedule a meeting or create a meeting link. So I'll just simply go with create a meeting link, and then you can create a link. Go with create and copy link, and it will copy the link. Once you've copied the link, you can just simply go with share link, and you can go with your browser. Under your browser, you can just simply go with your Messenger or your Facebook, your Insta, anything that you're comfortable with. And from here, go with messages, or you can also choose your WhatsApp or choose your Instagram, any option that you're comfortable with. And then you can go with your DMs or your messages. And here you can simply go and paste the message. And if the other person taps on that link, then they will be invited to that link. Or if the other person taps on that link, then they will be joined to that team meeting that you've just created. So that's how you can send the Microsoft Teams meeting invite. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.